In the fertile fields of ancient Mesopotamia, a crisis was looming. The land, once bountiful, was now worn and weary, the soil depleted of its precious nutrients, a consequence of centuries of monoculture. The farmers, once prosperous, now faced a grim future. Enter Gilgamesh, the wise and learned. His mind was a treasure trove of knowledge, his spirit burning with the desire to save his people. He pondered, he researched, and finally, he discovered the key: crop rotation. Gilgamesh proposed a radical change in farming practices. Instead of planting the same crop year after year, he suggested that crops be rotated. Wheat would be followed by legumes, then perhaps barley, and then back to wheat. This would not only restore the fertility of the soil but also prevent pests and diseases. The farmers, initially skeptical, began to see the wisdom in Gilgamesh's words. They saw how the land, once barren, began to regain its vigor. The crops grew stronger, and the yield was plentiful. The people, once fearing a future of scarcity, were now prosperous. Word of Gilgamesh's agricultural revolution spread far and wide. Farmers from neighboring lands flocked to Mesopotamia to learn his methods. The once isolated community now shared its knowledge, fostering a spirit of unity and cooperation. The crop rotation technique, a simple yet profound solution, marked a turning point in agricultural history. It paved the way for sustainable farming practices, ensuring the survival of generations to come. In the annals of history, Gilgamesh would be remembered not just as a king, but as a visionary who transformed the very fabric of agriculture. And so, the story of crop rotation serves as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the eternal quest for a better tomorrow. It is a reminder that even in the face of crisis, there is always hope, and that knowledge, when shared, can transform not just a field, but the world.